Welcome back to Priya's Inspirations. Today I would like to talk about the topic called self-esteem. Do we really require a self-esteem? Do we really require a self-esteem to get success or to survive in the society? So let me discuss about it. So before getting into the story, so the self-esteem is having a self-respect and knowing your own ability. Let me discuss a story today. Once there was a beggar who used to sell bunch of pencils at the railway station. Once the executive passed by, he saw this beggar and he dropped $1 and he just boarded into the train. While the doors were closing off and he got something in his mind and he went back to the beggar and he asked the beggar, "Is this price right?" The beggar said, "Yes, of course." So immediately he just went off, and this beggar started thinking, because this executive who came to the beggar and asked, "Is this a price right? Because you are a businessman, so am I." And these are all the words which started stirring the beggar's heart, and started thinking, why did he say like this? Yes, of course, I do not know all these days that I am also a businessman. So because when he started telling that this is the man is a businessman, he started doing some kind of a business, and he applied all his thoughts and he became a big businessman. Once this particular beggar attended a party. So this person, the executive who traveled in the train, also attended the same party. So he suddenly saw this beggar, but he couldn't recognize. But the beggar saw this executive. He went to the executive and asked, "Sir, do you remember me?" He said, "No, I did not remember you." "Sir, please try to recollect something." He said, "No, I did not see you anywhere. I do not know." And immediately he said, "Sir," he started giving the story, like everything what happened. "Sir, you just met me the particular day and you dropped me a coin and you asked me about my pencils, that is that price right. So immediately you said, after all you are a businessman, so am I." That words stirred my heart and made me stand here today. And this executive did not even believe that's what he's trying to tell. But he said, "Why did you wear this suit? Why did you wear the tie?" He said, like, "Sir, I said the truth, because this is what my position. I'm into a big business. I would really wanted to thank you today, because just because of your words, I am in this good position." So let's see how beautiful story it is. Maybe it is not story, but it's someone's life. There are many people who do not know your own ability and started poking you every time. "You cannot do this, you cannot go ahead, you cannot get a good job," or something like that. But let me tell you something, everyone blessed with a good blessings, and everyone blessed with good thoughts and good mind and good knowledge. The way we practice it only will help us to get good success. So in this story you can see this beggar. He never thought, "Come on, I am a beggar, how could I be a big businessman?" He never thought like that. He started thinking, because his self-esteem made him started thinking, "Why not I? Of course, without my knowledge, I'm into a business." So this is what called a high self-esteem. Because if you do have a high self-esteem with you, I'm sure it will easily make you to reach success. Because self-esteem is the most important thing in life to achieve the success. So that is what I just wanted to discuss with you today. So have a self-esteem. When someone says something, try to accept it. Have a willingness to accept it, because once you accept it, only that it makes you think all the time, it steer your heart or something to get the success. So self-esteem is the most important thing in life. Never lose your respect. When somebody keep disappointing you or poking that you cannot do this, that and all, you cannot reach your goal, how long you will do this and how long you will get, and no, never. Because I'm sure everyone by birth like gifted with a good talent. Only thing, it depends on how you practice it. Hope this story motivates you today. So please, my dear friends, have a good self-esteem and believe in yourself all the time. This is what every time I tell to my people who comes to my company. Believe in yourself. And of course, you can take suggestions, you can take comments and everything, but always believe in yourself. That will make you reach high standards. Thank you so much.